Today topic is graph. The topic I covered: graph, subgraph, walk, path, circuit, representation of graph in computer memory. Graph. What is graph? Graph is a set of vertices and set of edges. It is a finite set. In this graph, 1, 2, 3, 4 are vertices. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1 are edges. Two types of node I discussed here: root node and leaf node. From root node, we start traversing, and leaf node has no successor. Two types of graph I discussed here: directed and undirected. In undirected graph, there is no direction in edge. It is bidirectional. If there is no direction in an edge, at that time edge acts as bidirectional. In directed graph, there is direction in edge. It means it is from 1 to 2. Here there is no direction. It means it is from 1 to 2 and 2 to 1. Subgraph is a subset of graph. A graph G dash is equal to V dash comma E dash is a subgraph of another graph G is equal to V comma E. It means subgraph is a subset of graph. V dash is a subset of V and E dash is a subset of E. This is a graph and this is subgraph. This is also a subgraph. Walk. Walk is a sequence of vertices and edges. If we traverse a graph, then we get a walk. In walk, vertex and edges both can be repeated. In this graph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, which I take an example of walk. Two types of walk: open walk and closed walk. In open walk, origin vertex and terminal vertex are different. It means if you start traversing from one end at another vertex. In closed walk, start and end vertex are same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. This is open walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1 is closed walk. Path is a trail. Neither vertices nor edges are repeated in a path. The number of edges in a path is the length of path. A, B, C, D is a path of A to D. And the length of path is 3 because there are 3 edges there. The path from A to G is A, F, G, and the length of path is 2 because there are 2 edges. Circuit. Traversing a graph like that, if there is not repeated, what vertex can repeat it? In this example, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 8, 3, 1 is a circuit. 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, and 8. This is circuit. Two types of graph representation, or there are two ways of representing a graph. One is adjacency list and another is adjacency matrix. In adjacency matrix, if there is an edge between two nodes, put 1, otherwise 0. Element Aij is 1 if there is an edge from vertex I to J. The adjacency matrix of the following graph. There are 4 nodes, so there are 4 rows and 4 columns. 1 to 1, there is no edge, so put 0. 1 to 2, there is an edge, so put 1. 1 to 3, there is no edge, so put 0. 1 to 4, there is an edge, so put 1. Similarly, 2 to 1, there is an edge, so put 1. 2 to, there is no edge, 0. 2 to 3, there is an edge, so put 1. 2 to 4, no edge, so put 0. It means if there is an edge, so put 1. If there is no edge, so put 0. 3 to 1, no direct edge, 0. 3 to 2, there is an edge. 3 to 3, no edge. 3 to 4, there is an edge. Like that. The adjacency matrix of directed graph. It means there is an edge between 1 to 2, not 2 to 1. So 1 to 1, 0. 1 to 2, 1. 1 to 3, no edge. It is 3 to 1. 1 to 4, no edge. 2 to 1, no edge. This is 1 to 2. 2 to 2, 0. 2 to 3, 0. 2 to 4, there is an edge, so put 1. 3 to 1, there is an edge, put 1. 3 to 2, no edge. 3 to 3, no edge. 3 to 4, there is an edge, so put 1. 4 to 1, no edge. 4 to 2, there is an edge. 4 to 3, no edge. It is 3 to 4. And 4 to 4, no edge. If suppose that it is directed graph, it means and weighted graph. If there is an weight 2, 4, so 1 to 2, there is an edge. So instead of 1, you have to write 2. 4 to 2, there is an edge. Instead of 1, you have to write 4. For weighted graph, you have to put weight of that edge. This is an example. Adjacency list. It is an array. Each node has its own array of its adjacent nodes list. It means there is an array 1 for vertex 1 and it contains elements, its adjacent nodes. What is adjacent node? if there is a direct edge between that nodes that is adjacent, 2 and 4 have direct edge from 1, so adjacent of 1 is 4 and 2. And in array 1, it contains 2 and 4 because 2 and 4 vertices are adjacent of vertices 1. This is an array of vertex 2, 1 and 3 are adjacent of 2. There is an direct edge to 1 and 3, so 1 and 3 are adjacent of node 2. Similarly, A3 is an array of vertex 3, its adjacent is 2 and 4. And for A4 is an array of vertex 4 and its adjacent is 1 and 3, and so on. This is the adjacency list of directed graph. Directed graph, adjacent of A1 is 2, adjacent of 2 is only 4, adjacent of 3 is 1 and 4, adjacent of 4 is 2. Thank you. If you have any doubt, call me.